Glam Fam. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome to the Glam Fam. So today I stepped out to join the career day in Portofino. All of the departments are hiring, and so we made this a weekend festive thing. So you can stop by and you can look at our Bayview Hospital if you have interest in anything there. Our fire department, police department, public works, the coastal current, hey, marketing and blogging team, hey. I'm a part of both of those teams. And you can also stop by the booth for our realtors, and you can check out what we have to offer in Portofino. You can speak to them about what's available to rent in Portofino, and just overall learn about the city of Portofino as a whole. So I got a notification stating that our new kitchen appliances had arrived. So I left the career fair and I came on home because I wanted to meet the guys there that were bringing the appliances in. So I went ahead and had my husband on the phone because I needed him to, make sure that I am doing the right things when communicating with them, where they need to put it, so on and so forth. I had to go ahead and unbox it and start putting as much of it as I could together by myself. Of course, Kylan is traveling for work, so I was just too eager to cook. So listen, I start transferring food over from the old refrigerator to the new refrigerator. And so, yeah, we're going to make dinner tonight. Karsyn is starting to get sleepy, so I just picked her up, comforted her, put her in her bouncer, and she's going to be out like a light.